What's up everyone? As you can see, I'm holding my H100 and it's apart. It's out of my case right now, and the main thing is because my pump is saying weird noises, and I have to send it back to the manufacturer where I got it from, so I could replace it with a new one. Basically because the pump itself has been turning off and on, and the computer's been overheating. Suddenly here yesterday when I was just sitting on the browser and doing my usual stuff, checking out new hardware and all that shit, the computer suddenly the room got really hot, and the computer turns off. It was like, what the hell? Tries to start up my computer again, and it turns out that none of the fans that was connected to the pump, or the pump wouldn't even start up. Then I pulled the computer down, and yeah, it turns out that as I thought it was a power fluctuator, like the voltage connector was not connected correctly or something, but it turns out that it was the pump. And I hope you guys can hear it, and I'm just gonna stay quiet for just 10 seconds so you probably can hear the clicking noise and the ticking, whatever it's saying. So yeah, that's it right now. As I'm planning on sending it back here on Monday, but at the moment, which I'm really happy over, that I still got this one. My V8 is going back over in the case, not for long, that is, till I get my new H100. But yeah, so that was that, and I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and stay tuned for upcoming.
Give me some.